He just can't stop talking about the campus. Everything from classrooms, professors, just the environment. He's just happy.
She's doing super fantastic, both socially and academically, and we're just so blessed that she found a school that just fits like a glove for her.
The way I gauge it is, does he love it? And he does absolutely love it.
They really make friends here and they really collaborate. I think it's really well done the way that Harvey Mudd encouraged them to participate, collaborate, and work together for success.
He's happy, he's with his roommate, professors and the counselors. They guide them in the right way. It's not only telling them what to do, they explore what the student is interested in.
Loved his time here, and it's been great to see him just look very, very happy.
Just to be around lots of kids who have similar interests like her, especially lots of girls who are into STEM. It's just been a joy to watch her grow confident and figure out what she wants to do.
I think one thing is just the collaborative spirit. The ability to work with other students and collaboratively learn has been just amazing.
Her experience has been extremely positive. She's very excited about the classes, about the friends she's met, all the extracurricular activities she has taken in.
I agree.
I'm kind of blown away by the resources. His access to his professors, the dining halls.
And his classrooms. We went to the
makerspace.
The makerspace. Oh, I was blown away.
Well, he's really liked it a lot. He's having a lot of experiences, new things, doing research, going places with his research team.
Huge smiles, a lot of enthusiasm about classes, super excited, super pumped about what they're learning, and my child feels like they finally have found their people.
We wish the students and their families who've stood with them all this time all the best in the future. Here's to you.
Cheers.